What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So we have another mini car in the house. This is going to be the Storm 5. It's going to be an 18th scale 4x4 brushed dune buggy. So I will put a link below in the description if you guys want to check this out and see some of the pricing and stuff. There's probably some discounts that's possibly going to go on since this is being around Christmas time. And taking a quick look at this, you guys can see some of the specifications and stuff for this buggy. And I went ahead and I pulled it out because I wanted to see what this looked like. Now it does come with a 2.4 gigahertz radio. You guys see this here. I will speed test it so you guys do see that it has 2 speeds on it. So I'll make sure I test it properly with the high speed and the low speed. And it comes with 2 batteries and a charger. There's a second LiPo battery in here. They're 850 milliamps, I believe. And then it comes with one inside the vehicle. And to turn this on, you just hit this switch there, turn this on and leave that on. There we go. And here's going to be the lights and stuff for it. So that's actually pretty cool. This reminds me of a mini DBXLE buggy, just shrunk down to about the size of the tire. But this ought to be pretty cool to get this out and run. You guys see the figurines and stuff in there. So that's some pretty good detail, especially for a small scale vehicle like this. So anyway, let me go ahead. I'm going to get this vehicle charged up and we're going to take it out and we'll speed test it a little bit, and then we'll take some ramps out and we'll do some jumps and stuff with it. I was checking out these shocks, and these are adjustable shocks, so that's good. You have to worry about spacers and stuff for it. So that's a good thing with this. So anyway, let me go ahead, charge this battery up, put some AA's in here, and let's speed test it and then take it off road. All right, y'all, got this all ready and to go out here and speed test. And now remember, there are 2 speeds on it. It comes with that speed switch. We can get this focus in right there, pushed all the way over to the left, and you're gonna have to change that over to the round. Why this is not focusing in, but I have it in the high speed gearing. For that, all the trims and stuff are kind of maxed out. So let's see what kind of speeds we get on this little buggy before we take it off road and get it going. Make sure my GPS is catching, which it is. All right, let's go. Don't need that much room. It is a little brush buggy, but don't need too much space for this. That's actually pretty cool with those lights on it though. Like I said, don't need a lot of speed with this. It actually turns good. Look how sharp that turns. All right, let's see what kind of speeds we got on here. And let's read this. 17, so 17 miles per hour is what I'm getting stock out the box on the speed gear. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get this ramp out and we're gonna do some running. All right, y'all, let's take this, see how this runs in this park area. I do have the ramps out here, the Pro Line ramps. This looks actually cool with these little lights on here. I was trying to take it easy on that one. That big ramp is really gonna launch this bad boy. I wanna see how well this jumps. That's not bad. Let's do it this way. Look at that. This is really gonna send it. And then going this way, we might be able to pull a backflip off. Almost got that in. I definitely know we can probably pull a backflip off. Not so much a backflip, but we can get heck of air. Or as they said back in the day, hella air. Look at that, that's going good. You guys know what Christmas being around the corner, these will make little small, great gifts. Kids running and stuff around the house. Try to do some 3D jumping to me. My hands are freezing out here and it's messing with my driving skills, but we're good. This is actually going really good for a little mini brush car. If I could quit hitting stuff. All right, y'all, had to do the warm blow breath on my hands to warm my hands up. Look at that. That's not bad at all. I tried to be cool and do a backflip, still didn't work out. But I think we can pull one off. Let's see. No backflip, but we are getting some good air. Get up that curve. This is not bad for, I'm gonna call him the mini DBXLE. Do a little bit of suspension tuning, you're good to go. Ooh, almost had that one. All right, I'm gonna try to jump these. It's probably not gonna work out good at all. Oh, we did a backflip though. Let's see if we can get a good one in. Nope. So I'm thinking probably with this battery, depends on where you run it, you'll probably get about 12, maybe 15 minutes of runtime, but you do get 2 batteries with it. So that is definitely a good thing. Let's race this truck. Oh, this guy's gonna pull over here. So this is not going bad at all. Look at that. That is jumping good. Trying to jump into me. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do one big send. I'm gonna come straight down here and I'm gonna jump to see how far we'll go with this. All right, let's see what we can do. Hopefully, don't think we need too much room, but hey, I gotta do that again. This is jumping good. So you work on that suspension a little bit, you're gonna be good to go. All right, y'all, I'm gonna play with this a little bit more. There's gonna be a link below in the description for this. Good job on this. I think it's gonna be a good little Christmas gift if someone's looking for a small vehicle with somebody. So don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate you guys watching.